waiting years and years to see lava. It's a life goal, and when I came over that hill and we decided we're gonna come down and we're gonna go closer, and it's a risk and we know that, but we're gonna do it.
It's gigantic. I love it. I loved the eruption last year as well, but this is like special with the lava, huge fountains like popping out in the middle, and I love that a lot.